Hey guys, meteorologist Doug Heddy want to give you an update. We have the strong storm system which is rolling in for us on Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and then heading into Thursday. This system has a lot of moisture that's going to push through the region, some showers and thunderstorms. These are YouTube videos. We're getting close to severe weather season. I'm going to probably switch to YouTube Lives instead of Facebook Lives. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that little bell in the right corner, and that gives you notifications. All right, let's dig into this. See what's going on. Very mild, very windy for us today. At times we had winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. All right, on Wednesday, due to the southerly winds, also the moisture increasing, we should easily go back into the 60s. We could have some hit and miss showers as we go through the afternoon hours, but most of the action moves in tomorrow night. 55 to start. Let's go 59 by noon. High temp right around 64 degrees. But look at those south winds at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, scattered thunderstorms start blowing up. So this is mainly after 6 p.m. We still need to see exactly where these storms are going to really get going. This is a strong cold front that's rolling in. So you can see the wind shift line near Yates Center, Iola, back towards Sedan tomorrow evening. Some of the data coming in wants to suggest this front comes in a little quicker and a little farther south, which would lower our chances for severe weather. Other data wants to suggest it comes in a little bit slower, which ups our chances for strong to severe thunderstorms. So we still really got to tweak this over about the next 24 hours or so. All right, let's go through time. Thunderstorms, scattered thunderstorms tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. So here's 3 a.m. You can see our northern counties turning pink and purple. That's freezing rain and sleet. I don't know, like this has Pittsburgh kind of right above freezing at 3 a.m. I think that's a little quick, but I want to see some of the new data that rolls in. All right, heavy amounts of rain into Thursday morning, and then that freezing rain starts to shift a little bit farther south. All right, this system is going to track right on top of us, right up Interstate 44, and then right through Joplin towards Springfield. If it tracks like that, I think we're going to get a dry slot, meaning a dry punch of air, and the precip will cut off on Thursday morning. If it tracks across Bella Vista, we stay in the moisture, and we get more freezing rain and sleet. If it tracks a little farther north toward Pittsburgh, then we're definitely going to get dry slotted. So a lot to watch as we go into Thursday morning. Then we'll have periods of light freezing rain, light sleet, and light snow as we go through Thursday. All right, let's look at severe weather first. Again, most of the severe weather is going to stay well to our south. Southeastern Oklahoma, I think you guys have kind of the bigger threat for severe weather. But once you get up into northeastern Oklahoma, not so much, and a little bit lower as you go farther north. So let's go a low chance for severe weather. This is mainly tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. In general, I-44 and south into northwestern Arkansas, Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Kansas, southwestern parts of Missouri. Through the overnight hours, main threats here are hail and wind. I'm going to keep the tornado threat low. We're going to elevate heavy rain, especially along the I-44 corridor. It's very likely we're going to get 2 to 3 inches of rain from this system. All right, let's look at ice amounts. This is getting tricky because, again, if that system tracks a little bit farther south, we're going to have a real ice problem on hand. If it tracks a little farther north, again, we're mainly rain. But as of right now, we're going to put most of us, let's say 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice. But our northern counties may be 1/4 of an inch, pushing 1/2 inch, and that will cause some issues. So this is kind of freezing rain and sleet combined. We'll have to see how fast that cold air comes in to see what type of ice it's going to be. But this is mainly along and north of I-44. We're going to have the ice issues as we go through late tomorrow night and then also the first half of the day on Thursday. All right, let's go to snow, because eventually we'll switch over to snow. The heaviest amounts of snow are going to stay to our north. As of right now, the I-35 corridor. So Wichita, Emporia, Topeka, Lawrence, KC, easily 3 to 6 inches. I think that southern part of the 3 to 6 inch line is going to be near Yates Center and Iola. So if you live in Yates Center, Iola, over toward Pleasanton, up toward Butler, Missouri, you look to be in that solid 3 to 6 inch line. And then a very sharp cutoff. Chanute over toward Fort Scott, 1 to 3. I think 1 to 3 mainly stays north of Nevada. And then most of us are in this white, which is as little as a dusting, but upwards to an inch. So we'll have to watch that. I'll catch up with you here in a second. We'll have to watch that as we go into the daytime hours tomorrow, and we'll really be able to fine-tune this. I think the only areas that probably don't see any wintry weather is our far southern counties. So south of Grand Lake, Bentonville, over toward Branson, probably Cassville as well. You guys will mainly stay on the rain side. So this is a tricky system. New data comes out here in just a couple hours, so I'm anxious to see how that looks for us. And then also we'll get more data tomorrow. But wanted to give you guys a YouTube video update, and I'll keep you updated. Again, tonight just mild and windy. Most of tomorrow just kind of mild and windy with showers kind of popping up late. Severe threat, low, but there. Tomorrow night, really no tornado threat. This is mainly hail and wind. And then wintry weather during the daytime hours on Thursday. All right, guys, chat with you soon.